part of a company. It's a non-profit organization that's called Give Power Foundation. So for every installation that we do, we donate a portion to Give Power. Last year, we were able to feed and give water to over 1,000 families. It's like they build solar farms that produce clean water in places that there's literally no electricity and no water for multiple, like thousands and thousands and thousands of families every single day. So that's one of them. And the other one is that I don't only believe that giving is a matter of giving money, because you can recreate money, but you can't recreate time. So I wanted to do something where I invest in my time, energy, and money in something. So last year, with about 15 members of our team, we went to Colombia to give back to Colombia. So we went to a place that's called La Guajira in Colombia. Dude, it's insane. Like people have no water, they have no electricity, they have no phones. They sleep in hammocks every single day. Like another world, literally another world. And I was born in Colombia, but I lived in the capital city of Colombia, so I didn't have the chance to see that part of the country, but I know it existed, and I always had a purpose to go back and give back to my people. So we took 15 people for about 6 days. We slept in hammocks, bro, with indigenous people. Like, yes, like really, like in hammocks for 2 days with indigenous people. Didn't have service, and donated a ton of food and toys for kids. And not only that, man, it's not only what we gave them, but it's a voice of like coming from the other side of the world and telling these people like, hey, you have people on the other side that actually care about you. Like, we care about you guys. We're not gonna let you be hungry every single day. Like, go to bed with your empty stomach. Like, that's not gonna happen in my watch, you know? So every time that I remember like why I need to keep going, bro, I have pictures and everything. It's like, if I don't keep going, there's a lot of people depending on me that wouldn't eat tomorrow if it wasn't for what we're doing. So it goes just deeper and longer than just money. It's a really big purpose that we have of impacting people's lives and just helping.